Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sign a PDF in Google Drive. If you've ever needed to sign a document for school, work, contracts, applications, or forms without printing it out, this method is super easy and saves a lot of time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add your signature to a PDF directly using Google Tools. So let's get started. First, open Google Drive and sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're inside Google Drive, upload the PDF file you want to sign if it's not already there. To upload a file, click the New button on the top left side, then choose File Upload and select your PDF document from your computer. After the upload is complete, locate the PDF in Google Drive and double-click it to open the preview. Now, Google Drive itself doesn't have a built-in advanced signature editor like some paid PDF tools, but there's an easy workaround using Google's connected apps or annotation features. One simple method is using Google Docs Editor's Help features available in Google Drive Preview. At the top right of the PDF preview window, click Open With. Depending on your account, you may see options like Google Docs or third-party apps for editing PDFs. If your Google Drive has annotation tools enabled, click the annotation or markup icon. Then choose the pen or drawing tool and use your mouse, touchpad, or touchscreen to draw your signature directly onto the PDF. You can resize and reposition the signature wherever you want on the document. Another common method is using a connected app like DocHub, which integrates directly with Google Drive. To do this, click Open With. Then select Connect More Apps. Search for DocHub and install it. Once installed, open your PDF with DocHub. Inside DocHub, click the Sign option. You can draw your signature, type it, or even upload an image of your signature. After creating it, place the signature anywhere on the PDF. Once you're done, click Save or Download, and the signed PDF will automatically save back to your Google Drive. This method is really useful because you don't need to print, scan, or use complicated software. Here's a quick tip. Before signing important documents, make sure the PDF is the final version. After signing, editing certain parts of the document may become harder depending on the app you use. Also, if you're signing official or legal documents, double-check whether the organization accepts digital signatures. Most companies and schools do, but it's always good to confirm. Another useful idea is creating a reusable signature. Many PDF apps connected to Google Drive allow you to save your signature so you can quickly use it again in the future without redrawing it every time. And that's basically it. You just learned how to sign a PDF in Google Drive using simple built-in tools and free connected apps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.